Good morning to y'all. You down with that? It's done. Almost.
They don't believe. They don't skill. I'm the bright future. Don't do this. Everything that I've been doing with the gang, man, it's so sweet.
Man, it's so sweet.
Super fly blue, we on the sky. God, let's see you see. What you wanna do with the gang?
Yo, what's happening, people? Hope you all good this morning. It's bloody ass cold. It's bloody ass cold in Dunham, man. Yeah, but nigga. I got my nigga in the building. Got C-Rock in the building.
It's freezing cold, yo.
They don't believe. They don't believe. They don't believe. How was your night? How was your night? Pull up in the comment section. Tell me how was your night.
I'm the bright future. All I did this. Everything that I've been doing with the gang, man, it's so sweet. Super fly blue.
Yo, my nigga, this is Cobb. What about that, famo?
What you wanna do with the
Or
gang?
should I give you the red one?
We oversee.
Want me to pull up with the red one? Yo, fam, make sure your niggas stay safe. We better get cold, which is outside, but to get some jackets, stay warm. Pull up with the soup, make sure you're all cool, fam. Stay warm, have fun, listen to our music while you're on that. We're chilling. Tell people that you actually chilling with the beach right about now. I got my boy C in there,
Chilling with the gang,
With the gang.
man, we playing.
And we're playing. Yo, do catch us La Pana Cloud 5, fam.
Yeah, Bellis Lounge.
Bellis Lounge. You like the red one, don't you? Okay, I tell them to send that label forward, dog. They love my nigga, truly appreciate, dog. I'ma send you the red one, fam. There's over clean there. It's gonna be you. No mama, boy, it's very dope.
I know you wanna see me falling. But I know you're cool, yeah, I'm rolling. In the bowling. Know when I'm home, look, I'm in the mood. I make the move. You know I got a boo. The sound is so fresh in the bag. Coming in to tell them while I'm holding these bags.
Appreciate, my nigga. Truly appreciate, dog. Do catch us La Pana Cloud 5 for Hammer Still Unit 4. Excuse me, next to Mazarolo. Things are gonna be happening there too.
I mean,
yeah, excuse me, man. My boob is not really.
I'm out here with my hope. Let me tell you it's dope. I know, you don't know me. I'm never lonely.
It's in the door with some other people. Hey, my nigga.
So much pain on the street, we see it.
Hey, there's so many people that I would really like to work with. They not just top. I haven't never top like dog. Each and every artist who is dope or she's dope or she understands what she's doing. The beast is on there, fam. I'ma jump on that.
She knows that we gotta do something. We got something, cause we got things. What you wanna talk about, cause we got things. Then I gotta do just to get my
be holding that key, holy key. Hey dog, this is dope. Yeah, dog, I don't have those type of feelings. I have certain artists that I have to work with. I'm not now my level. I don't have levels. Because I'm also in where he level in King so yo, bless my nigga. Same to y'all, famo. Y'all talk a little bit.
Do you remember when I saw you? I'ma take you out with that polo. And you know me, and I'm gonna spoil I'ma take you out with that polo. Don't ever go back, you my baby. Never let you go, I'ma skate. I know I'm on the road every day. Tryna get the max, I ain't playing. You my baby. I'll never let you go. I told your mom, tell you I'll be driving that polo, my baby. Polo, my baby.
Yeah, I see the second jala right about now. Yo, AT, very tamba and up ATM now get to pop up. The Tracy lady, female lady, SVR lady. This song I'm about to play right about now is a remake. It's a nice, damn bloody ass song. I love making remakes because it makes me feel checking my level where I'm at, and then I feel like I'm on another level. What about now? I want to play something that is available on YouTube. Just go to my channel, search for PK Mwabe. You're gonna find it. It's a nice ass remake. Segunjalo. Let's go. Echo. Let's go, man. What's happening, dog? Yeah, my nigga. Pull up, yeah, get a 14. We wasn't lean, go for 14. Yes, it's so long, let them dead. We shot dead. Numbers on the pump, distracted. Let me tell you something. Space is safe, every day we wake up in the morning, man, you got nothing. I'm trying to elevate. This is ain't no game, I know you got pain in your brain. You be looking at me, I be A-sane. I be coming in, man, I'm too keen. Yeah, man.
I be doing everything that is on my power just to get this cheese. If it's stepping on my way, I gotta be murder. No worries if you see me bad. Coming in, you see the man, I gotta move back. Tryna get my money, man, I'm Bombay.
Yo, Flow fam, yeah, dog. I'm not actually staying at home, bro, but now I moved to my place. Yeah, I hope you're good, fam. As I was. Might see you on the weekend, man. Yeah, pull up, ngina 14. Nungibuza mning koko 14. Nungazongtina la. Ah, bro, that's the thing. But izolo ngilala ngileo shatin. Kodwa ingoma zami ziyapump estradini. Right, izolo ndosikuphindele futhi so that you're gonna follow the shit. Go check it out on YouTube. It has lyrics on the top. Feel it. nigga, what's happening? Yo, people, do check us out. La Panama Club 5 Saturday. We're gonna be at what is my nigga saying there? Please sign my artist. No, it's okay. I'm gonna check out. Yo, please send me a link. La Panama inbox. It's not really the proper place here. Just click La Panama as well as colors. I won't pass my nigga. See you, famo. I was still saying something. Yeah, there's a song that we did in Donayam La Panama, which is titled 4C. Saturday, this beginning dog, we 29 on Saturday. We had the whole team, the whole squad, PMB, and then we shot like a clip of that mad ass video. I think the video is gonna be coming out Friday. Let me just play the song.
Friday nights always epic.
Friday nights always epic. You know how it is, man. You know how we do it. That's the song right here. Let me just go fam on my nigga, yeah. Yeah, famo, go best dog. Everything that you're hearing here and you're feeling where you at, it's something that is done here, famo. If it's not done here, you're gonna hear me saying something about it. Everything that I'm playing here is busted here. It's busted here, famo. Yo. What happened to the lights? Yeah. Okay, what's it? Give me a video of that, dog. Up, man. I just want to show you this video, like mad in the bridge, like this little bit. Hey, but then there we are, yeah?
Sun is so good. I'm in the room and niggas feeling good. We run the hood up to the moon. We run the season.
Let's check it for the video right now.
Ready with me and I grew on the moon. Wanna do when I pull up to the room. We elevating every day, that's why we making moves. I'm chilling with my goons on the move. Hey yo, if you got papers, yeah, stay down. I know you're a hater. I've been on my game face up. Stay trying, but I can't play us. I spray you on the streets and you selling those sweets. While we in the studio making these beats.
Yo. The song is titled 4C, famo. It's available on Audimac. Search 4C on famo. You're gonna find what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's some dope ass, man. Oh, that's the first version. I'm playing you a little bit of the video. I've been saying.
What you wanna do? Cause we own those movies. We be making movies.
Okay,
to my bros, man, we don't pay. We don't pay, we really wanna let them pay, yo. I know you catch up with the time, yeah. I was on something, trying to make sure that we buzzing. Reminisce, I've been reminiscing. Chasing fish, feel like chasing fish.
Okay.
You're so confused, that's why you show your fingers. We on their move, that's why we got these fingers. We on their move, that's how we know to speak. Know to speak, and I'm a la sequila.
Okay. I'm just gonna pause right about that. That's a pause. Let me give you, I'm not sure the way it was in the board. If you tell me if you see, give me fire emoji right about that so that I can see you see. Fire emoji. Y'all fam, I truly appreciate it. Do click up that. Let me play this video right there. I'm not sure if you're able to see that clearly. Dog, I'm on my laptop a little bit. Word, fam.
Brother, son.
Yeah. I think they can see it. Let's play the video a little bit. See, shine it somehow, yeah. Abi, I'm shy sauce. I'm shy sauce. Damn. Hey.
You're making money moves, what you wanna do? Cause we all know the movies, we be making movies. With my bros, man, we don't play, no. We don't play, we really wanna let them play, no. No, you get up with the time.
I was something, trying to make sure that we vibes. Reminisce, I've been reminiscing, chasing figures, feel like chasing figures now.
You so confused, that's why you show your fingers. We on the move, that's why we counting fingers. We on the move, as no more speaker, no more stina, number none is a killer.
Yeah, but fair, that's how we're talking about. Let me sign out. Yeah, man, I'm signing out right about now. These are the next kids, bro. These are the next. I'm not saying next. We are not the kids, bro. Future billionaires. If you want to get your shit sorted out, if you want to get your music dope, hit us up, man. Hit us up. I'm signing out. Do check out everything about me. Click the Google button. Type PK, you're gonna find everything. All will be revealed. Signing out.